Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming Photoshop is up to date and you have a saved copy of any custom tool presets. This prevents data loss. Once done, open Window, then Tools to ensure the Tools panel is enabled. Make sure to reset the Essentials workspace by choosing Window Workspace Reset Essentials. This restores default tool layout. If the tools are still missing, proceed to the next step where we rebuild preferences and verify UI elements. You now rebuild Photoshop preferences to remove corrupt settings causing toolbar issues. This is the core repair. With Photoshop closed, hold Alt plus Control plus Shift on Windows or Option plus Command plus Shift on Mac while relaunching, and confirm deletion of the settings file when the dialog appears. Once the app opens, the UI returns to factory defaults, so make sure to re-enable Window tools and reapply your workspace. If a custom tool is missing, reload saved tool presets from the Preset Manager next. Finish by restoring your toolset and confirming stability. If rebuilding preferences didn't fix the toolbar, reinstall Photoshop via Creative Cloud to replace damaged program files. This is the only remaining clean fix. Once reinstalled, verify GPU settings under Preferences Performance because driver conflicts can hide UI elements. If problems persist, create a new OS user account or launch in safe mode to isolate configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.